Why mindful walking matters.
Mindful walking turns an ordinary daily activity into a powerful tool for self-care. By walking with attention and intention, you can reduce stress, sharpen focus, and improve emotional well-being. Unlike regular walking, mindful walking connects your body and mind, helping you find calm and clarity in each step. Anyone can practice it anywhere. No special equipment needed.
Setting up for mindful walking.
Begin by choosing a familiar, safe route where you can walk without distractions. Wear comfortable shoes and clothing. Take a moment to stand still, relax your shoulders, and set a gentle intention. Focus on the present moment. Leave your phone on silent or out of reach if possible. The goal is to create a peaceful space for yourself.
Engaging your senses.
As you begin walking, become aware of your breathing and the rhythm of your steps. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Feel the air on your skin and observe the sounds around you. Birds, wind, your footsteps. Let your senses anchor you in the moment, gently bringing your attention back if your mind starts to wander.
Using your breath as a guide.
Sync your breath with your steps if you like. For example, inhale for 3 steps, exhale for 3 steps. If your mind drifts, notice the thought, then gently guide your attention back to your breath and movement. Deep, mindful breathing can calm your nervous system and deepen your sense of relaxation during your walk.
Ending your walk with gratitude.
When your walk ends, pause for a moment. Stand still and notice the sensations in your body. Take 1 or 2 slow breaths. Thank yourself for this time of self-care. Carry the sense of calm, clarity, and presence into the rest of your day. Regular mindful walking can become a simple, effective habit for overall wellness.